Hey everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. Hope everybody's doing well. Today I have just a little quick tutorial on how I did the coins for my old ship's journal. What you're going to need is a digi kit or pictures of coins out of a book or wherever. And then some like 1-inch washers or whatever size diameter you get for your coin images. You're going to need a little bit of paint. I got some gold and some silver here. And alcohol ink. I didn't do these with the ones for my ship journal, but I thought of it afterward. And I put some, I think it was mustard was the color of the alcohol ink that I just put around the edges. Just to give it a little bit more of a authentic look. You're going to need some emery boards or files or a little bit of sandpaper. 1-inch punch is really handy, but you can just cut them out by hand as well. And I'm using the Beacon 3-in-1 glue today. So first, let's punch out a couple of coins here, or coin images. These images are from MobyCatGraphics on Etsy. So I got those. And all I do is take my glue and put some on the washer. Take my coin, stick it on. Glue up the other side. I don't want all that goop. I'm going to have to wipe that around. There we go. And I am just going to give this a little, can't do it like that. I'm going to do it like this. A little spread around here. And stick our other image on the other side. We're going to let this dry for just a couple of seconds here. Does anybody do St. Patrick's Day journals? I thought they might be kind of cute to put in a St. Patrick's Day journal or put them on a card, or, you know, something the kids would like to use. Okay, we'll start with this side. And then I just, yeah, it's moving around. It's not quite dry, but still let it dry. I would pause and then come back when it was dry. However, I just did a video doing 3 coins, and I had to pause it because I couldn't find my gold paint. I got it out and then I left it where I found it. So I thought I paused it. No, I just stopped the whole thing, and then after I looked at it and it stopped, I'm like, oh, son of a pup. And I'm not savvy enough to know how to edit one video and add it to the other one. So here I am. Just going to do one. And then I'll show you all 4. But you just want to, you know, get your edges cleaned up. And if you let it dry, you don't get that mess happening. And go around like so. Just make sure everything's kind of blending in together. My oldest grandson was born on St. Patrick's Day. He'll be 20 this year. So yeah, it's been a minute. At the hospital was really cool. They gave him a little onesie with I'm a St. Patrick's Day baby, and a little knit hat. Had a shamrock on it. A little teddy bear that had the little, you know, leprechaun pipe and leprechaun hat. He was green, so it was pretty neat. Hard to believe it's been 20 years ago. But I guess I gotta grow up. So yeah, I got 16 grandbabies. They range anywhere from, let's see, Tessa is 30, and my youngest one, Keegan, is 2. So yeah, I got a bunch of them in there. Alright, so we got that smoothed off now, and all I'm going to do is just, hopefully there is, okay, take a little bit. You want to make sure and get your edges pretty well. Now I have silver on my finger, which is, you know, par for the course. I did the 2 or 3 days ago, I did the alcohol ink on the side of these, and this thumb still has, looks like I stuck my thumb in a jar of mustard. I squeeze out just a little, teeny bit more there. That's more than a teeny bit, but don't want too much on there. Kind of covers it up when you hold it a certain way. And let's do this side. Here, there's a little white border around these, so I want to make sure and get that pretty good. Just get it all blended in nicely. And then just a tiny bit over the top. At first I thought, oh, this is not going to work. I got, you can't see it, but it depends on how you're holding it. It's like kind of on a hologram thing. Let me stand up and see if you can, yeah, see, you can see the image there. I can't see it at all. That's what I see. And then here's the other side. So, yeah, that is it. I used these for my old ship video. Made these coins for their plunder, and I thought they were kind of cool. And then I thought about the alcohol ink, and I thought, oh, well, that's really cool. However, some of it came off because it was sliding around, I think. So there we go. Here's another one that I did. This image was actually already kind of a yellowish color. These were all silver, and then here's one I did in silver, which ends up, there we go. And then there's the back. It's got a guy on a horse. So yeah, so there they are. Everybody, thanks again for stopping, and thank you to all my subbies, new and old. You just don't know how much it means when I get your nice comments and likes and thumbs up. It's really, really appreciated. So I will put a link to MobyCatGraphics down below if you're interested in getting this. It's just one sheet of these coins, and also a link to my old chip video if you haven't seen that yet. So everybody take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye.